Glideline's range of customized standard conveyors would be completely custom builds to most other manufacturers. Because of our flexible, innovative manufacturing practices, we are able to easily develop and produce these completely modular solutions. We can add cutouts, alternative drives, special angles, and meet near any application need with our customized standard solutions. That's why we call them customized standards. They're custom solutions without the custom price. This seemingly simple approach makes us a top choice when you're looking for a manufacturer who can innovate for a customer's unique needs. These are some examples of innovative custom standard conveyors we've developed to meet specific customer needs. CENTERLINE Adjustable Conveyor. Adjust the width of a conveyor for a different sized pallet, or any product for that matter, in lieu of adjusting guide rails. The dual axis VTU. A VTU with two axes in one unit, or more simplified, two conveyors working independently housed in the same unit. Conveyor rotate unit. Helps aid in transferring a large pallet to an adjacent conveyor that can't typically be transferred through a standard curve. Zero contact zone conveyor for appliance handling. This zero contact conveyor with individually controlled zones is designed to handle appliances, or again, any product, with no pallet directly on the conveyor belt. Glideline is a different kind of manufacturer. Innovative thinking with nimble development and manufacturing practices is better for you and your customer. We give you multiple cost-effective standard options to choose from, meeting your design needs and wants. Learn more at glideline.com.